We don't just satiate hunger. We delight the connoisseurs of food. People prefer us in so many ways, in so many fonts, across India. Their palates and tongues tingle with expectation every time they think about us. We rarely fail when we partner with the right ingredients that create mouth-watering dishes. Yes, just a dash of the right spices creates culinary magic. Who knows this better than someone who's been making the best spices for more than 170 years? Our trusted partner, Cookme, spice makers since 1846.